Good evening, students. This is the third lecture of the partnership accounting, and today we will discuss how to prepare PL appropriation account. We will see in this lecture, first of all, we will understand what is the PL appropriation account. PL appropriation account. My dear students, you are already knowing PL account. What do you mean by PL account? As we know that PL account is such type of account which is prepared for the calculation of net profit or net loss of the concern, or which account is prepared for the calculating net profit net loss, that is called PL account. Getting you all? In the class 11th under final account, already we have studied all these things: trading account, PL account, balance sheet. But about PL appropriation account we will study in this chapter. Okay? PL appropriation account. What do you mean by PL appropriation account? PL appropriation account is such type of account which has been prepared for the appropriation or distribution of profit, that is called PL appropriation account. What I am saying, PL appropriation account is such type of account which has been prepared for the appropriation or distribution of profit, that is called PL appropriation account. The nature of PL appropriation account is nominal account. Getting you all? I mean to say, when we prepare PL account, profit and loss account, and calculate our net profit or net loss, then after we will open an account, that is PL appropriation account, for distribution or appropriation of that profit, whatever we are getting in profit and loss account. Getting you all? Definition is clear. What is the PL appropriation account? Okay. One basic question and most important question for the examination point of view, there is difference between PL account and PL appropriation account. It's your HW, learn it everyone, and it's an important differences. The difference between PL account and PL appropriation account in 2 marks. PL account. What do you mean by PL account? PL account for preparing, for knowing the profit and loss account, profit and loss of the concern, and PL appropriation account is prepared for the distribution or appropriation of profit. First difference. Second difference is PL account is prepared after trading account, and PL appropriation account is prepared after profit and loss account. Getting you all? Under PL account there is no any opening or closing balances. Under PL appropriation account, opening and closing balances both will be. Okay. All expenses, next difference is all expenses charged against profit under PL account, and under PL appropriation account, whatever items we will debited in the account for the appropriation of profit, means where we will use to that profit in which terms, that is under PL appropriation account. Getting all? This is the basic difference between PL account and PL appropriation account. Getting you all? Okay. In the question we will see how we will prepare PL appropriation account. First of all, for the preparing PL appropriation account, we have to learn some basic journal entries which are related from the PL appropriation account. Okay. The first entry will be for the transferring amount of the profit and loss. Listen it very carefully, students. What I am saying, first journal entry for the transferring amount of the profit from PL account to PL appropriation account. The first entry will be, then first entry, profit and loss account debit to PL appropriation account. Getting? When profit will transfer in PL appropriation account, okay, we have already transferred. Second entry, when interest on capital will be allowed. Journal entry at the time of for allowing interest on capital. Okay, when we will allow interest on capital, then entry. One thing I would like to ask to everyone, interest on capital is profit or loss for the concern? What will be for the concern? Definitely, students, it will be a loss or expenses for the concern, which have to pay to the partners by the partnership firm. As we are knowing, according to separate entity concept, business entity concept, the businessman and the business both are the separate unit of the concern. And according to this concept of accounting, the businessman pay to interest on capital to the owner of the concern, or businessman pay the interest on drawing, whatever he withdraw from the concern. Getting you all? So first entry, second entry, for allowing interest on cap. When we will amount of interest on capital will be credited in the partner's capital account, then entry will be interest on capital account debit to partner's capital account. Clear? And when this amount of interest on capital is appropriated from the PL appropriation account, then entry will be PL appropriation account debit to interest on capital. Getting you all? Are when the interest on capital will be credited to partner's capital account, interest on capital account debit to partner's capital account, and when this amount of interest on capital will be appropriated from the PL appropriation account, the entry will be PL appropriation account debit to interest on capital. Getting you all? Are third journal entry for passing interest on, allowing interest on drawing. Okay, as the firm is paying interest on the partner's capital, that will be expenses for the concern or loss for the concern. As it is, when partner will withdraw or partner will pay interest on its withdraw money on its drawing, then that will be profit for the concern. Getting over? When the partner will pay the interest on drawing, entry will be partner's capital account debit to interest on drawing. And when this profit will be credited to PL appropriation account, the entry will be interest on drawing account debit to PL appropriation account. Getting? Third entry. Okay. Fourth, remuneration to the partners. When the firm is paying any type of remuneration to the partners, the first entry, only one entry, PL appropriation account debit to partner salary, commission, wages, whatever the partner is getting. PL appropriation account debit to partner salary, commission. Getting you all? Fifth. Next, when the part of profit is transferring in general reserve, when a partnership firm has opened a general reserve account or maintain a reserve account, then profit will transfer to this account. Then entry will be for transferring from PL appropriation to reserve, PL appropriation account debit to reserve account. Getting all? And last, when after the appropriation of all these items, if the profit remains, that will be distributed in partners capital account. It means entry will be PL appropriation account debit to partners capital account or partners current account. Getting over? PL appropriation account debit to partners capital account, that will be transferred in partners capital account, whatever profit remain from the appropriation. Okay, after passing all these entry, we will prepare what PL appropriation account. Okay, by these general entries we can easily open PL appropriation account. Where is the PL appropriation account comes, that entry will consider under PL appropriation account. From the first entry, interest on capital to partners capital account, PL appropriation account debit to interest on capital, to interest on capital in debit side. In the first entry, you will see profit is transferring in PL appropriation account by profit and loss account. Entry will be PL account debit to PL appropriation by PL account transferring. Okay, फिर next to partnered salary remunerations. If any partner is getting, PL appropriation account debit to partner salary commissions. Next to general reserve. If any partner is, and if the profit is transferring in any reserve account, then PL appropriation account to debit to general reserve or to reserve, you can write. Okay, if the firm is getting in any interest on drawing, by interest on drawing account debit to PL appropriation account, it will be credited in PL appropriation account, and the profit will remain after all these adjustment, after all these appropriation, then that profit will distribute in partners capital account. Whatever partner A's capital account, B's capital account, that amount will be transferred in partners capital account. So by these way we can easily prepare PL appropriation account in the partnership accounting. Okay, PL appropriation account, getting you all are? Once again I am revising this. What? Preparation of PL appropriation account. PL appropriation account is such type of account which is prepared for the appropriation or distribution of the profit, that is called PL appropriation account. The nature of PL appropriation account is nominal account. The difference between PL and a PL appropriation, see in your books. Okay, and next journal entry for the preparing PL appropriation account. These all general entry will be considered under PL appropriation account under partnership accounting. Okay, and after these general entry we will prepare PL appropriation account. So by these way we can prepare easily PL appropriation account. In the next class we will see how we will solve the practical question. Okay, learn it, students. It's a very important point for the examination point of view. Okay, thank you for today.